Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to export contacts from ihakimi Lite. This is the dashboard screen. From the left side menu, navigate to CRM and click on Contacts. Once you are on the Contacts page, you will see all the contacts available in your account. To export your contacts, click on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the Contacts page. From the available options, select Export Board Contact. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose which contact fields you want to include in the export file. You can either select all fields to export complete contact information or choose only the specific fields you need. For example, you can import fields such as full name, WhatsApp number, city, email address, tags, created date, and other custom fields available in your account. After selecting the required fields, click on Yes, Proceed. The system will now start preparing your export file. Once the export request has been submitted successfully, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the export has been queued. To download the exported file, navigate to CRM and click on Exports from the left side menu. Here you will find a list of all export requests along with their status. Once the export process is completed, you can download the file directly from this page. The exported file can be then used for reporting, backup purpose, or importing data into other systems.